think the best part about living in Morrill Tower is the community.
Morrill, I think, is definitely the most inclusive dorm out of any of them on campus.
We're all very different, but we get along so well.
A family, you know. I feel like the best word to describe the community in Morrill is like a family.
I love every single one of my suite mates. They're my best friends.
I don't know, it's just wonderful here.
So when you walk into your suite in Morrill, you are in a common room
where you can meet people from around your floor, or you can just hang out with your own suite mates.
Entertainment center where you can put a TV, or we have like game consoles there too. Then once you walk through the common room, you go into the foyer, and there are 5 doors, and 4 of them are for bedrooms, and 1 of them is the bathroom.
Alright, so this is the bathroom. We have 3 stalls and 2 showers in the back over there. And one of the greatest things is the bathrooms are cleaned twice a week. It's like a lot of my friends, they have to clean their own bathrooms. This is cleaned twice a week for us.
You also have your study room if you need to get things done, if you need to be quieter.
So there are 4 desks since we're in a quad. If it's a double, they'll just pull out the chairs and you have an extended desk.
The fridge up here, and we got the refrigerator down here, or the freezer, and the microwave. And then in the quad is just 2 of these with a freezer on the top as well.
Everyone gets their own little space and 1 drawer, 1 shelf.
And then once you walk out of your study room into the actual room with the beds in it, if you're in a quad, there will be a bunk beds on both sides, and then if you're in a double, then you just have 2 beds on both sides, and there's tons of space. There's 2 closets and 4 drawers.
Awesome views. You either have the stadium or the river. Like Sarah utilizes the hanging clothes a lot, and then have some like bins, my shoe rack.
So you have 2 washers and 2 dryers. It's $150 for the washer and $125 for the dryer.
Because I live in Morrill, I have easy access to the facilities around me, so our pack is about a 5-minute walk.
If it's too hot outside, if it's too cold outside, if it's too rainy or snowy, and you're hungry, you can just walk downstairs and there's food at Morrill Traditions.
On game days, if you have season tickets like I do, you literally walk out the door and there's the stadium. It's pretty awesome.
You have our pack and the tennis courts and the Olentangy River Trail.
There's a kitchen somewhere on this floor as well.
Right by Buckeye Grove, so you can hang out in a hammock and chill out there, do some homework or take a nap.
Morrill Tower is kind of like a family. It just kind of like creates this like family vibe.
Like I said, the first time that I called this place home, I knew I wanted to stay here a second year.
I don't know. It's honestly, I have no negative things to say. Like, it's so great.
Walk in with an open mind. Don't have any like preconceptions about where you're gonna live. It's gonna be awesome, trust me.
It's really nice to live here, and I couldn't imagine living anywhere else.